This cinnamon honey macchiato will change your mornings forever. Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a warm and cozy cinnamon honey macchiato, a perfect blend of sweet honey, aromatic cinnamon, and bold espresso. This comforting drink is smooth, lightly spiced, and absolutely perfect for mornings or relaxing afternoons. If you love café-style drinks at home, this recipe is for you. Let's brew something delicious together today. Ingredients: 1 shot espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk, 1-2 teaspoons honey, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of cinnamon. Directions: begin by brewing a fresh shot of espresso or strong coffee and set aside. In a small saucepan or microwave-safe container, heat the milk until hot but not boiling. Froth the milk using a frother, whisk, or by shaking it in a jar until light and airy. In your serving mug, add the honey and ground cinnamon. Pour in the hot espresso and stir well to dissolve the honey and blend the flavors. Add the vanilla extract if using, for extra warmth and depth. Next, gently pour the steamed milk into the mug, holding back the foam with a spoon. Spoon the frothy milk on top to create that classic macchiato-style finish. Sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon over the foam for a beautiful aromatic touch. Sip and enjoy this cozy, lightly sweet, and perfectly spiced coffee drink anytime you need a warm pick-me-up. Thank you so much for watching, coffee lovers. I hope you enjoyed this cozy cinnamon honey macchiato. It's the perfect mix of sweet, warm, and bold flavors. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more café-style drinks you can make at home. I'll see you in the next warm and delicious video. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinural.com/3coffeelover.